Hey guys, Taylor Dunnigan with Hayden Outdoors. This is Ash. We're going to touch on a few drills we do before season here. It's almost October. It's important to keep these dogs in shape, get ready for hunting season. If they're not in shape, a lot of bad things can happen. You got heat stroke. Overheating is a huge thing, especially in the early season when these temperatures are still 60, 70 degrees out. But yeah, going to go over a few drills. Some in water, some on land. Things you can do after work. Quick, easy things to keep your dog in shape and get ready for the season. All right, guys, first drill I'm gonna do, I'm gonna throw dummies to essentially first, second, third base here. It's gonna kind of recreate the scenario of multiple birds falling. I'm gonna send Ash out to one dummy. Ash, have her bring it back. Good, good. Kind of recreating a volley of birds if you're duck hunting, pheasant hunting. Good, heel. Set. This is a good drill to kind of get the repetition of blind retrieves. Come on. Heel. Heel. Good. Back. Can't stress enough how important it is to do these things to get your dog ready for the season. Good. Come on. Heel. Heel. All right, guys, now I'm going to switch to the pile drill. It's a good drill to pile up these dummies 40 to 80 yards away. Bring the dog to heel, send her on a back command, back. Goes out to the pile, brings the dummy back, and just do it 3 times. Good. Heel. Back. Sending your dog after the volley's been done, after the bird's been dropped. Come. Good. It's kind of recreating a blind. Good girl. Sit. Back. Ash is going to spend close to 30 days pheasant hunting this year. They're running about 3 miles to every one we do, or even more. Good girl. Heel. So just make sure you keep the dog hydrated. Sit down. These dogs are vital out in the field, so we just want to keep them healthy. Good girl. Hey guys, we've moved to water now. It's getting hot out. It's a good thing to do to switch when you're doing land drills. If you got water close by, neighborhood pond, reservoir nearby, move your drills to water. Good way for the dog to cool off. So I'll send the dummy, hold Ash for a little bit, work on steadiness, get focused on the retrieve, and then I'll send her. Ash. Big thing we see in the hunting world is dogs just going crazy after every volley. It's dangerous. You want to make sure your dog's steady, goes when she's told. Good. This time of year it can get hot, middle of the day. The summertime can be hard on dogs. They don't do a lot. Watch for signs of heat stroke. Come here. And you can take these land drills. We just did kind of the baseball diamond out there. Throwing the dummy out to first, out to second, and out to third. And then sending the dog out to get him. It kind of recreates if you were to shoot 3 or 4 birds. Ash. Yeah. Ah. Nope. Hey, Ash. Come. She needs a tune-up just like the rest of the dogs, so. Come on, Ash. One of the big things Ash struggles with is shopping the birds. Keep at it and just get them tuned up for the season. Come here. Heel. Sit. Make sure they reset, get them back to where they were, and just start it all over and send them on the next retrieve, making sure they see the bird. Ash. Good. One thing I like to stress is if you're gonna work a dog, move to water. It's a good way to cool off. Good. Getting these water repetitions is always awesome. This is a good drill to kind of get her to focus on one dummy at a time, bring it back to me, and then go focus on the next and the next. So, come here. Ash, come here. Heel. So you want to reset, get them focused on one. Back. Duck season's getting close, so getting these water repetitions is always awesome. Work with your dogs, get them in shape. If you got a little time after work, 20, 30 minutes doing this stuff, girl, can go a long ways. I hope this is helpful, guys. Me and Ash are heading to Saskatchewan on Saturday here. Keep checking out our videos for more helpful tips, and yeah, enjoy the season.